Alright, so it's probably going to be the last package I'll probably order because I went over to the local shop. They didn't, well, they got blanks, but all their decks are like 50 bucks, and I talked to Mark. Actually, I got some bone soft bushings from there. See if he can get some price points in for 40. He said he can. So all my decks are going to come from there now. I'm happy to be able to afford to support a local shop. Very excited about that, to be quite honest. And that, and also Brian Wilson, I will be trying the Wakefield whenever we can meet up and I can pay for the deck. But of course, you know how fast I go through decks, so you know, it won't be too long. For that, I'm also going to try Kickbase, which is another local company. But right now, I got a good deal, so I'll be able to have some reviews up in some time, you know, because I gotta skate it first before I review it. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, man? Alright, lose my balance a little bit there. Ooh. Okay, I got a deck that I've been wanting to try for the past 3 years, and I finally get to try it. Show you what it is. It is a Black Label. I've been wanting to try one of these decks for 3 years now, and I'm very excited to try it. I don't really like ordering stuff online, to be quite honest, because you never know what shape you're gonna get. This deck is this one's a blackout, or not blackout, it's a black hole deck. And it has it has a high tail. So I take a gamble at it when I'm gonna skate the blade first. I got a good deal on these decks. I mean, like, it was a good deal. Because the most I go on a deck is 40, and these were pretty cheap. I got them from Black Hole Boards. They're just the next state over. Sweet. Big leaf sticker. This is nice. Has about a medium high kick. Actually, whoa, that is a late kick. That is going to be weird. That is a late kick. That is the latest kick I've ever had. Like, the mounting holes are there, but the kick starts there. Wow, that's going to lock me into tail slides like a boss. That is like the longest, like, flat between the mounting holes and the kick I've ever seen. Which might make it, even though it's high, that'll probably actually make it feel low. Which is something I'd probably like. Same thing on the nose. It'll lock into some good nose slides. Concave, about a medium. It is a little bit stepped. I can feel a little bit of a step to it. Looks pretty beastin'. Those Theeve CSXs. Oh yeah. I'm wondering how that shape's gonna be. Because I haven't had a deck with such a flat before the kick actually started. That's kind of odd. Only one way to find out. Oh, that would have been first try. Ah, so close. Second try. Oh yes. That felt great. Woo! At least it was a tap. Because I cannot backtail. It saved my life. It's like... Oh, whatever. Shit, my cinder block. Whoa. This deck's strong. That's crazy. I just like, wow, that's kind of something there. Now when you have a deck that when you land on the last step of a stair set like that, and you chip part of the stair set, that's already saying something right there. It's not going fast enough, for one thing. At least I still landed it. But on school days and school nights, I cannot get full 9 hours of sleep. Because I can't get in bed around 9 o'clock. That's just too early. That's my problem. That's why I skate better on the weekends, to be honest. So I can get my full 9 hours. Because I'm really tired right now, to be quite honest. Oh. I'm happy I can even do anything. Oopsies. Drop the pop. Okay, why am I not popping my tricks? I'm so close to it. I feel like I have more control with the new board. Okay, I gotta get used to that. Even though like the kick height is kind of like a medium high, with that flat it feels like a really mellow board, which I like. But it does feel a bit more responsive, like a lot more responsive, correction. And that is something that I have to get used to. It'll probably take me about 3 days to get used to it. Well, that switch tray was better than that regular tray. I'm going to redo that reg tray. That's weird because I usually can't switch tray on the driveway. Huh. Maybe this shape does fit my preference. I just didn't know it yet. Front hills, man. Front and back hills are my downfall. much so. Yes, indeed. Alright. Now this trick I haven't been doing that much as of recently. Let's see how this goes. Ah! Get them inwards. I'll attempt one knowledge. I can do them on penny boards. I can pretty much do them on any deck that doesn't reach my groin. This one can, so probably won't land it. First diver really gets nollie words. Nollie hards, I can do that. Why not now, though? Oh well. Inward hills. Not my thing anymore. That's for sure. Pen in the butt, literally. Lasers. And now. We almost had 3 hard 1-footed. Get the rotation, I just can't jump with it. Okay, and watch that.